Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about if your USB randomly disconnected, how you can solve this problem. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start this video. But first, I'm going to give you some instruction. Then in our PC, I'm going to show you some setting so you can easily fix this problem. So in the instruction, you can see basic hardware and power checks. So in instruction, you can see basic hardware and power checks. Try different ports. A faulty or loose USB port is common culprit. If possible, try different USB port on your computer, especially on the back of a desktop PC, as those are often more stable. Check the cable and devices. The problem might be not your computer. Test the USB device and cable on another computer. If the issue persists, that the device or cable is likely the problem. Use a powered USB hub. If your computer is not supplying enough power to the USB port, this can be cause disconnection. A powered USB hub which has its own power adapter can provide a more stable power supply. This is very common fix for external hard drives or other high power devices. For software and system setting, go to your control panel and go to power option. If you don't see this option, your icon may be this type of icon you can see. So click on a small icon and then you can see the power option. Here you can change your plan setting. If you see this option is enabled, you need to disable this to click on the balance command, and you need to click on change the plan setting from here and click on change advanced power setting. From here click on USB setting, expand this, and you can see USB selective suspense setting is enabled, and here you need to disable this like this from the battery and also the power. So that's why you can fix this in your computer. And now I'm going to show you the another way you can fix this. Press Windows plus X to open the device manager. Expand the universal serial bus controller and double click on this. Go to the power management tab and uncheck the box. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. You need to disable this. If your USB have some problem, it's not show on your PC. So I don't have problem with my USB, so I'm not going to uncheck this. If you have problem, you need to uncheck this one. So I'm going to click on OK and close this one. And if your problem is not solved right now, then we need to move on to the third method to update our or reinstall our driver. On the device manager, right click on USB root, expand this universal serial bus controller and right click on this USB root hub, and you need to update your driver. And if you click this one, it will automatically update your driver, and after restart it will solve your problem. And if this one also not help you to fix your problem, then close this one and right click and find CMD and right click on this run as administrator and type sfc space scan now. Sometime a corrupt system file can affect USB functionality, so I'm going to type this one space and scan now, and click on enter. So scan our system for corrupt file. So it may take some time to verification complete. To complete this process, it may take some time, so don't worry about this. So guys, our verification is almost complete. So you can see it's not find any violation. So I'm going to close this one. So guys, this way you can fix your USB drive which one is randomly disconnected. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Please subscribe this channel for more upcoming interesting videos.